Pleasant good day, my viewers and subscribers. I'm here working on this L200, which I totally forgot to bring my clutch alignment tool. But however, I'm trying to find a workaround to align this clutch, which I remember that when I was removing the pilot bearing, a 10 socket could fit between the pilot bearing. So something crossed my mind where I was looking around the tool pan and I came across this 10 millimeter tall socket and an extension, which I also have right here. This adapter. So what I did was put all three together and try to align the clutch. Try to align the clutch with it. So as you can see, that is placed directly in it, and I have some other procedures where I would use to ensure that it is accurate. So I initially aligned the clutch with it. This is an L200 Mitsubishi pickup truck. The other process that I will do, or procedure that I will do right here, is use just the extension with the adapter and fit it in the middle. As you can see, it is perfectly aligned. It is perfectly aligned right there. Look. And then I will remove this for you guys so you can see that it did work. Look at it. See that? It did work. So I don't know if you guys want to try that method, or is the case that you would preferably use the alignment tool. But for the next video, I will show you guys that I will just mount the transmission to it without any problem, because this wouldn't be the first time that I'm doing something like this. So I'm just showing you another method to use based on the fact that if you don't have a clutch alignment tool, you pretty much have to be careful based on it could be off, so you should pay keen attention to it. But for this one, it is perfectly aligned. I do appreciate if you could share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.